सुनो ये all of you kindly switch off your audio and video. मैं बाद में आपको बताऊंगी कब ऑन करना है. स्क्रीन पे आ जाओ. ये उल्टा क्यों दिख. Okay, I am starting with the class. Today I will teach you with PPT also, but introduction जो है, although the name of the chapter is squares and square roots, but today we will deal only with squares. I hope you all know the shape of a square. This is the shape of a square. It's a two-sided shape having length and width both same. Now, I hope you all know ये previous knowledge हम अभी check कर रहे हैं. If side of a square is 1 centimeter, then its area is 1 into 1 centimeter square. 1 centimeter is the side of the square, so area is 1 centimeter. If side of the square is 2 centimeter, then area of the square is 2 into 2. Just check 2 area centimeter side, 2 centimeter, 2 2s are 4 centimeter. Similarly, if side of a square is 3 centimeter, then its area is 3 into 3, 9 centimeters square. 3 3s are 9. If side of a square is 4 centimeter, its area is 4 into 4, 16 centimeters square. That is 4 into 4, 16. Similarly, if side of a square is 5 centimeter, what will be the area? What will be the area of the square? 25 centimeter. Very good. And if side of the square is 6 centimeter, then what will be the area?
36 centimeters square.
36 centimeters. So this is the previous knowledge. I hope you all know this. Actually बीच में ना एक बच्चे add on हो रहे हैं तो screen कभी-कभी still हो जाएगी. So don't mind, it will take only 2-3 minutes more. आपके class के students हैं ना कभी-कभी join थोड़ा delay हो जाता है. Just observe this board. If there is any problem, kindly ask. कोई problem तो नहीं है इसमें, so that I will start with PPT. Okay.
No,
Just give me 1 minute. Let me switch on my laptop. And this PPT I will put in Google Classroom also. So no need to write anything, only focus on understanding. Okay, bache? So this is the first slide. First slide, the topic, it is only mentioned square and square roots. Slide. Okay, so this is the first slide, squares and square root. Now next slide, I will show you what is about the next slide. Okay. Now, just check this. Now, there are two columns. First column is only about first 10 natural numbers. First natural number is 1. Second natural number 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You all know. Now, on the board, I explained you what is the area of the square. If the side is 1 centimeter, then its area will be 1. If the side or if the number is 2, then its square is 4. If the number is 3, then its square is 9. If the number is 4, then what is its square? If the number is 4, then what is its square? 16. Okay, if the number is 5, then what is the square?
25.
Very good. If the number is 6, what is the square?
36.
If the number is 7, what is its square?
49.
Good. Okay, if the number is 8, what is its square?
64.
Very good. If the number is 9, what is its square?
81.
81. And if the number is 10, what is its square?
100.
Okay. Now, Have you observed one thing? Kindly tell me what is your observation. What have you observed? If 1 is an odd number, its square is also an odd number. If 2 is an even number,
Yes,
its
ma'am.
square is also an even number.
Yes, ma'am.
3
Yes.
odd number hai ya even number hai?
Odd.
3 is an odd number or an even number?
Odd number.
Odd number. So
Odd
its square
number.
is 9, an odd number. 4 is an even number, its square is also even, that is 16. 5 is an odd number, its square is 25, which is an odd number. And similarly for rest of the 5 numbers also. If you have any problem in this slide, kindly raise your hand. So shall I move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next slide is, now here on first column I have written square. On first column I have written square, and on the second column I have written number. Just observe 181, 121, 361, 441. If you observe, ये सारे numbers जो square हैं इनके ones place पर 1 है. They all have 1 at its ones place. अब ये किस किस के square हैं? Let us check. 1 is the square of 1. 81 is the square of 9. 121 is the square of 11. 361 is the square of 19. Means अगर किसी square की side 19 centimeter है, then area of that square is 361 centimeter square. Similarly, if the side of a square is 21 centimeter, then its area is 441 square centimeter. Now the observation. Who will read this observation loudly?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am,
can I?
Can I read?
Okay, पहले बोला था, बोलो read करो.
If a number has 1 or 9 in the unit
If a
place,
number
then
has 1 or 9 in the unit,
Is then बोलो, अब कोई तो बोलो.
its square ends in 1.
हाँ, its square ends in 1. ये देखो, ये समझ में आ गया. स्क्वायर सब 1 से एंड हो रहे हैं. किस किस के? जिनके नंबर की यूनिट्स प्लेस पर या तो 1 है या 9 है, 1 है या 9 है. You can check for other numbers also. So is there any doubt in this slide? Shall we move
Ma'am.
to the next slide?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when number is written,
Wait,
can we
हाँ,
write square root?
ना ना बेटा, अभी स्क्वायर रूट पे जंप मत करो. मैंने बिगनिंग में बताया ना, टुडे वी आर डीलिंग ओनली विद स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर रूट पे भी आएंगे. हैव पेशेंस. यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन दिस चैप्टर. इट्स वेरी गुड. बट अभी जो मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ ना, काइंडली फोकस ऑन दैट. ठीक है बेटे? नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Okay. Now the square is 16. 16 is the square of 4. 36 is the square of 6. 196 is the square of 14. And 256 is the square of 16. Now observe, in sub squares में 6 है ones place पर. 6 is there in ones place. The numbers are 4, 6, 14, 16. अब ऑब्जर्वेशन. नाउ हु विल रीड द ऑब्जर्वेशन? जिसने पहले नहीं रीड किया था वो रीड करेगा. काइंडली रीड.
Can I read?
हाँ, श्योर बेटा.
If a number has 4 or 6 in the units place, then its square.
Be loud, be loud. I can't hear.
Ma'am, can I read?
हाँ,
Ma'am,
okay,
can I
बेटा.
read?
हाँ, read
Ma'am,
करो.
can I read?
number. Oh.
If a number has 4 or 6 in the unit place, then its square ends in 6.
Very good. Check करो, देखो square. If a number has 4 or 6 in its units place, यहाँ देखो 4 है units place पर, 6 से end हो रहा है उसका square. 6 है units place पे, फिर भी 6 से end हो रहा है. 4 है units place पर, square उसका 6 से end हो रहा है. 6 है units place पर, square उसका 6 से end हो रहा है. Am I clear to all of you? ये सब अभी आप ध्यान रखते रहो. नो नीड टू राइट, क्योंकि ये सारी पीपीटी में गूगल क्लासरूम में डालूंगी और रिकॉर्डिंग भी मैं डालती हो ना अपनी जूम क्लास की. सो काइंडली फोकस ऑन अंडरस्टैंडिंग. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बेसिक्स है ना ये. शैल वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इज 2 का स्क्वायर होता है 4. स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 इज 4. Square of 8 is 64. Again, 4 is at ones place. Square of 12 is 144. Again, 4 is at units place. Square of 18 is 324. Again, 4 is at units place. है ना? So 4, 4, 4, 4. If a number has 2 or 8 in its units place, ये देखो 2, 8, 2, 8. ये 2, 8, 2, 8 units place पे आ रहा है ना? That means its square ends in 4. इसका square 4 पर end हो रहा है. Is it clear to you? Now, who will read this instruction again? ये जो observation है ना नीचे, who
Ma'am,
will
can
read
I
it
read?
again and loudly please? हाँ, sure.
If a number
If
has
a number
two
has 2
the
or
ends
8 in the
then its
units
square
place,
ends in 4.
then its square ends in 4.
Correct. ये भी समझ में आ गया? अब next slide पर हम move करते हैं. This chapter is very interesting. Now, square. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 7 is 49. 9 आ गया units place पर. Square of 13 is 169. Again, 9 is at units place of square. Square of 17 is 289. So, our observation is if any number which is, if a number has 3 or 7 in the units place, ये देखो 3, 7, 13, 17. You can try it for 23, 27, 33, 37 and so on. कोई भी number ले लोगे ना, it will, उसका square जो है वो 9 से ही end करेगा. Am I clear to all of you? I read this instruction once again. If a number has 3 or 7 in the units place, then its square ends in 9. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Shall we move
ma'am.
to the next slide?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good. Now, square 25. 25 is the square of 5. 225 is the square of 15. 625 is the square of 25. ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करो, जो नंबर के वंस प्लेस पे 5 है, उसके स्क्वायर में भी 5 है. सिमिलरली 10, 20, 30 इनका जब भी हम स्क्वायर लेंगे, 10 का स्क्वायर आएगा 100, 20 का स्क्वायर आएगा 400 एंड 900 किसका स्क्वायर है? 30 का स्क्वायर. So the observation is, if a number has 5 in the units place, then its square ends in 5. Similarly, if a number has 0 in the units place, then its square ends in 0. ठीक है यहाँ तक? तो अभी हम समरी भी इसकी डिस्कस करेंगे, बट काइंडली जस्ट लुक एट दिस स्लाइड. कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है इसमें?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Wait a minute, 3 students are in waiting room. स्क्रीन पे ले वो अपने आप धीरे धीरे एडमिट हो जाएंगे. Just kindly give me 1 minute. हाँ. So let us move to the next slide. Now this is the summary. Summary: if a number has 1 or 9 in the units place, then its square ends in 1. हमने सबसे पहले वाली स्लाइड में देखा था ना, ये 1 का स्क्वायर 1, 9 का स्क्वायर 81, then 11 का स्क्वायर 121 and so on. Similarly, if a number has 4 or 6 in the units place, then its square ends in 6. Now, who will read the third summary? Third summary. Jayant, are you there in the class?
Can I read?
Okay. Read.
If a number has 2 or 8 in the units place, then its square ends in 4.
Okay, one more child kindly read the same instruction ताकि तुम्हारे माइंड में ना रजिस्टर हो जाएगा ये. हाँ, sure. बेटा can I मत पूछो.
Can I read?
हाँ, बोलो. Read करो.
If a number has 2 or 8 in the units place, then its square ends in 4.
Kindly one more child will read this instruction.
Can I read?
If a number has 2 or 8,
2 or 8 in the units place, then its square ends in 4.
correct. Now next instruction. Do you know your roll numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
आपके roll
ma'am.
numbers पता नहीं कोई बात नहीं. मैं ना आपको नाम से ही बुलाती हूँ. आप अपने नाम से read करना. Rishika, are you there in the class? Rishika.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Rishika,
ma'am.
kindly read first instruction loudly. Rishika,
Yes, ma'am.
kindly read first instruction loudly.
If a number has 1 or 9 in it,
मेरा पेन दे दो चुपचाप से.
Oh, what is this? Okay, now
अब
next.
ले मत लियो अगली बार.
Jayan, rest of you
और
kindly
मेरा पेन
switch off your
पेन लियो.
mic. Rest of you kindly switch off your audio. Jayan, kindly read the second instruction.
If a
Rest of you
number
kindly switch off
has
your
4 or
mic.
6
हाँ,
in
बोलो
its
Jayan.
place, then its square ends in 6.
Correct. Jayan, kindly read it once again.
If a number has 4 or 6 in the units place, then its square ends in 6.
Correct. Okay, Anya, kindly read the third instruction.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, if a number has 2 or 8 in its unit place, the full screen is not visible.
Okay, then its square ends in.
Then its
Batao?
square ends in 4.
Correct. Fine. Param, are you there in the class? Param, Param, kindly read this fourth instruction. If a square has 3 or 7, यहाँ से read करो.
If the number has 3 or 7 in the unit place, then its square end in 9.
Okay. Now next is Prachi. Prachi, are you there? Prachi? Okay, Sejal? Sejal?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly read. If a number has 5 in the units place, यहाँ से.
If a number has 5 in the units place, then its square ends in 5.
Correct. Now the last is for Virat. Virat, kindly read it loudly.
If a number has
Virat,
0
are
in the
you
unit
there?
place, yes, ma'am. If a number has
then
0 in the
its
unit
square
place,
and
then
then its square ends in 0. So this is the summary. Now next is observation. Have you observed one thing? Square of any number does not end with 2, 3 or 7 or 8. Observe किया आपने? Let us come to the first slide back. 2, 3, 7, 8 से कोई भी number नहीं हो रहा end. नहीं, फर्स्ट स्लाइड देखो. किसी के भी स्क्वायर में क्या 2 आ रहा है? चेक करो. किसी के भी स्क्वायर में 2 नहीं आ रहा ना?
No,
किसी के
ma'am.
स्क्वायर में 3 आ रहा है क्या?
No, ma'am.
7 नहीं आ रहा.
No,
and
ma'am.
8 no.
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
ये जो 4 numbers, for example, if I claim 28 is a perfect square, without calculation, can you tell me? No, ma'am, it's not the perfect square क्योंकि इसके ones place पर 8 है. Can anybody give me another example like this?
Ma'am,
I'm
37.
42, correct. It's not a perfect square because it is ending with 2. 47 is
Ma'am,
absolutely
13.
correct. 13 is very good because it is ending with 3. Very good. Next. Jaldi jaldi batate jao.
I'm 37.
37 is
78.
also not a perfect square. और next क्या बोला? 17?
I'm 78.
Correct.
Ma'am,
If I say 1
28.
crore
I'm 58.
562. No. Now kindly
I'm
listen
12.
to me.
I'm
Oh,
12.
हो
Not a
गया.
perfect square.
Now 1 crore 1,25,005. नहीं 5 नहीं 1 crore 58,202. Is it a perfect square?
No, ma'am.
No,
Because
ma'am.
it is ending with 2, we do not have to do any kind of calculation. Isn't it very simple? If a number is ending
Yes.
with 2, 3, 7 and 8, 2, 3 consecutive numbers, 7 and 8 consecutive numbers. अगर कोई number इनसे end कर रहा है, that means it is not a perfect square. ठीक है?
Perfect square.
Now observation के बाद अब हमारा kindly come to the observation once again. Yes. Square of any number does not end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. यहाँ तक clear हो गया आपको? Now, the square of an even
Yes,
number is
ma'am.
always an even number. ये मैंने शुरू में ही सिखाया था आपको, है ना? And square of an odd number is also an odd number. Now, I am not teaching with you with this PPT. PPT का जितना काम था हो गया. Let us come to Again, board and just wait. Give me 1 minute. Let me come to board once again. How much time is there? मैं 5 मिनट या मैं भी Okay, now this is the lesson or concept for today's class. Now I'll ask you few questions orally, or kindly raise your hand, frame a question based on today's teaching. What you have learned. For example, I will give you a question. 25 is the perfect square of 5. Similarly, 36 is the perfect square of 6. Now kindly tell me, 144 is the perfect square of which number?
12.
12. Okay, 12. Very good. Now, similarly, you have to frame the question also on the basis of today's teaching, and you have to give the answer also. Who will try? It's just like a game. Because today's lesson, it's only the introduction, so that you can enjoy. And on the basis of this teaching, you can do first 5 questions of your exercise 6.1. Okay, so kindly frame a question. Smart children, tum to bahut achhe bacche ho sare. Okay, 144 is the perfect square of 12. Is 145 a perfect square of 12?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
How did you tell without calculation? Batao, kaise pata chala?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am,
12 is
because
a
it
good number and the square of 12 will also be even.
Okay.
Ma'am, 145
Now
ends
let
with
me
5.
wind up the class. Today's class, who will tell me one by one what have you learned? वो बता दो अच्छा.
Ma'am, rules of squares.
हाँ, one, just tell me one of the rule. If a number is ending with 1, then it can be a square of?
Ma'am,
It can be a
number
square.
ending with 1.
or 9.
1. Very good. If a number is ending with 4, it can be a square of?
I'm 6.
6. If a number is ending with 5, it can be a square of?
5 only, ma'am.
5. It means it can be a square of that number which is ending with 5. Hai na? If a number is ending with 0, it can be a square of?
0.
No. That means uske ones place par 0 hoga. Now I am giving you one question. You have to tell me, can 1000 be a perfect square? And tomorrow I will ask. You
No,
have to
ma'am.
think about this. Can 1000? Okay, you know it's not. How come you know? Batao.
No, ma'am.
As
Ma'am,
1000
because-
has odd numbers of zeros.
Very good. 1000 has odd number of zeros. Similarly, can 10,000 be a perfect square?
Yes, ma'am, of 100.
Yes, it's
Yes,
a
ma'am.
perfect square of 100. So kindly think about it. Google Classroom पे मैं भी होमवर्क अभी अपलोड नहीं किया है. मैं जब होमवर्क अपलोड करूंगी, then you can upload. तुम उसमें करके डालना. In the meantime, you can start doing your homework. प्राची, इतना लेट आए हो आप? How come? अब तो क्लास खत्म होने वाली है. I am taking the final attendance. This is the way you are doing. I will mark you absent. May I know the reason why you were not there in the class? Prachi.
Yes, ma'am.
Prachi, why you are so late?
Ma'am, I was trying since 11, ma'am. There
No. आप तो अच्छे बच्चे हो. आज ऐसे कैसे किया आपने? Anyway, I have winded up the class. So now finally I am taking the attendance. Ashi, are you there? Ashi. Okay. Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Aryan?
Present,
Aryan,
ma'am.
are you there? Okay. Bhumi Suri? No, Bhumi Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Darsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Darsh, are you there? Okay. Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Gaurang?
Yes, ma'am.